All right, ninjas, who is this course for? It is for pretty much anyone, any small business owner, any brick and mortar business, any corporate marketing professional, any marketer, anybody who wants to sell something, anybody who wants to make money. Right? So pretty much anyone, because this course is going to teach you how to sell your own product, how to sell your own service, how to market your own business, but it's also going to teach you brand new, never available anywhere else, how to start a completely full-scale business with almost zero money up front, just using Facebook ads. So this course is pretty much for everyone. The only thing you have to be is serious about the investment, right? But if you're watching this and you're already pretty serious, and you have to be willing to put in the work. If you're willing to do those two things, it will work, guys. There's so many success stories of our students that have made this work. All you have to do is put in the time and put in the effort. So we already talked about, right, the best way to go about this course is to go through the entire thing, take notes, right? Once you've gone through the entire thing and you have all of your notes down, start it over. Module 1, do it again, and then implement. Module 2, do it again, implement. And you'll already have such a solid base and infrastructure that going through it's going to be so much easier, guys. And so what I'm looking at right here, just so you know, is the Module 1 notes. These are under the resources section. You'll see it in the membership site. Go ahead and download it, print it out if you want to, make notes on it or put it on your iPad or whatever you want to do. I wanted to make, both videos and PDFs because I understand that some people are visual learners, some people prefer watching, video tutorials, some people prefer reading it, and so I made both for you guys, even though it was 100 times more work to actually do it that way, just because I love you guys. And so the first thing that we're going to go through, guys, is how to set up your Facebook page. So what we're going to do is just click on this little link right here, and that brings us to this page. So to create a Facebook page, you can either create a business or brand page or a community/public figure page. Most of us are going to choose the business or brand. And the difference between these two is just like the settings that Facebook allows you to do. Like, for example, if you want to make like a local business page, it allows you to put your business address, and so people can get directions by clicking a button. Versus, if you make a public figure page, you're going to have different settings. And so for most of us, we're going to choose business or brand here. So we're just going to go to get started. So I'm going to call this page Kevin David Ninja. And we're going to do entrepreneur. So we're going to go continue here. And add a profile picture. So we're going to upload a profile picture that we have handily dandily right here. And guys, if at any time you're, considering, what are the dimensions, what's like the optimization for a cover photo or, for a profile picture, just Google search, Facebook cover photo dimensions, because it changes from time to time. And so I'm not going to just tell you, it's this by this, because by the time, tomorrow comes around, Facebook could change it. So we're going to upload a cover photo right here. We're actually going to do a video because we like doing videos. For cover, it says cover photo, but you can actually do cover videos, and cover videos are just a little bit sexier. So we'll see if it allows us to do it from this particular spot. Sometimes, yeah. So let's skip it for now, and then I think we have to actually choose it as a video from this section right here. So we're gonna go to upload photo/video and Facebook cover video. And now I suppose it'll let us upload our video instead of not letting us do it on the last page, which is, a beautiful little point, because Facebook, like every piece of software in the world, has funny little glitches, and you kind of just have to, figure it out sometimes. But I'm going to try to show you guys as much as I possibly can, I promise. Look at how sexy Russell Brunson looks, and Todd Dickerson, one of my good friends, Jeff. This was back at Funnel Hacker while we wait for the next 10% for that to load. Funnel Hacker, this was one of the 2 comma clubs I got for the Amazon FBA course that I created, which was such an amazing experience getting up on stage and getting to meet Russ and Todd and some other just incredible entrepreneurs there. And so once this actually goes ahead and finishes uploading, this will be our profile picture, this will be our cover photo, and this is going to set to loop. This is what's called the CTA, which we're going to go over in the next video. I just wanted to... Wow, that was loud. We're going to automatically replay it in a loop and publish it here. Cool. And so it's going to start on mute, which is a good point because Facebook videos actually start on mute, which of course we'll talk about once we go through the actual video section. But for this one, what's important about the Facebook page is a solid profile picture, a solid cover photo or video, and then content. Right. So what's important about this is to understand, guys, that all Facebook ads run from a page. Right. And so what I mean by that is, if you see an ad on Facebook, it's actually coming from a Facebook page. Like, so for example, I could run an ad that says, hey, come out and check out my, Facebook ads course. It's amazing, all, X, Y, or Z. And then if people like that ad and they're interested in who posted it, they can actually click on the username of that ad and come to my page, which is why it's super, super important, guys, that when you're running ads from a Facebook page or just in general, that your page has some social proof, right? So that's the importance of, running page-like campaigns. So your page has, 1,000 likes. So people aren't saying, yeah, well, this person has 0 likes, so obviously no one else is interested in them, so why would I be interested in them? And that's why it's also super important to have content on your page. And so before I would use this page to actually run Facebook ads, I would post, blog articles that I've written about, entrepreneurship and Facebook ads, if that's what I was going to run ads about. I would post, YouTube videos that I'd created, any type of value added content related to the ads that I'm going to be running, right? If this was an e-commerce business, I would post pictures of my products. If I was running ads, as a real estate agent, I would post, pictures of listings that I'd sold. So you want to have, highly relevant value added content actually literally on your wall. You just come to your wall right here and make posts, publish them, and then if anybody ever clicks on your ad because they're interested in what you're doing or they want to learn more about it or whatever, then they'd see, okay, well, this person is posting cool content. They obviously know what they're talking about. Maybe I should pay more attention to the ad. And if they see that you have, at least like 500 or 1,000 likes on your page, then they're going to think to themselves, okay, this person is actually, somewhat important or relevant. Maybe I should actually pay a little bit closer attention to their ad. And so that is how you set up a Facebook page. In the next video, we're going to talk about actually how to, edit some of the settings and things that you want to optimize for to be seen by more people and just kind of to create your Facebook page in the right way. So let's get into it.